Hi, welcome to Ames Responds to COVID-19, a question and answer program where Ames area organizations respond to your COVID-19 questions. I'm Susan Guiazza, Public Relations Officer with the City of Ames. On today's show, my guest is Steve Sullivan, Director of Marketing and Community Relations at Mary Greeley Medical Center. Steve, welcome to the show.
Hi, how are you?
Lots of questions about vaccines. It's been going on for several weeks, and as we work through the tiers of eligible patients, more and more people are becoming eligible for the vaccine. For those who are currently eligible but have not yet received it, what should they be doing?
Well, patience is always the best virtue when it comes to vaccine. And we also urge people, no matter where you are, whether you've got it or you're waiting for it, keep wearing that mask, keep washing your hands, keep social distancing. Meanwhile, the people who are eligible for the vaccine right now, that keeps expanding. We're just about done with the tier 1 group. Those are the teachers. By the end of the month, the teachers in Story County will have gotten both shots by then. Daycare is mostly done, first responders. And we're moving into tier 2 now, which are the manufacturing, distribution, food, agriculture groups that can't socially distance in their workplaces. Story County Public Health is partnering with a number of pharmacies in the county to take care of those folks. And they're actually going to these businesses in many cases and conducting clinics there. So that's a joint operation between Story County Public Health and area pharmacies. In terms of people who are 65 and older, we're still working through that group. We're at about, if you look at the number of people who have received both shots in that group, we're at about 60% in Story County, which is not bad, actually, when you consider a percentage of them aren't going to get it regardless, and some might still just be waiting. So we're doing pretty well on that group. Then a lot of the clinics are doing the 64 and younger with comorbidity. So we're recommending that you reach out to whatever provider, whether you're going to a pharmacy for that, or if you are going to a clinic. And we also recommend going to multiple places, constantly checking who has an opening and when. So people are, it takes a little effort, but people are having, from what we're understanding, pretty good luck ultimately getting in there. One of the other tier 2 groups I should mention are folks with disabilities who are homebound and their care staff. So if you have questions, if you're in that situation, you have questions, your best bet is to call Story County Public Health and find out what you need to do. The number for that, if I may share that, is 800-945-8563. Generally, we're doing pretty well in the county. We have almost 13,000 people in the county who have had both shots. The county population based on 2019 census is about 97. That includes the student population, of course. So there's a certain percentage of those folks that are not going to get the vaccines anyway. So we're plugging away.
Right. Sounds like it's very positive news for the most part. And I'm impressed by that 60% statistic for those over 65. I think that's awesome.
Right. And not all those folks, a lot of them got them in Story County. A lot of them got them outside of Story County. And again, that's what we're urging. If you have an opportunity to get it, seek as many opportunities as you can. And when you get the one, grab it.
Yeah, no, I have heard that people were seeking shots elsewhere. When they get the call from their physician's office, they just simply need to decline. Is that correct?
Right. That's the best option, is to let them know you're being taken care of elsewhere.
Okay. Well, good news. Maybe we're seeing some. Spring is bringing with it some positivity. Thanks a lot, Steve.
Thank you.
Ames Responds is the opportunity for Ames residents to ask their COVID-19 questions. Maybe there's something that you're curious about. If you have a question, email us. You can email us at covid19@cityofames.org. And remember, the City of Ames has COVID-19 information on our website at cityofames.org/COVID-19. Thank you.